Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. This is going to be a template preview, and this is for the little go packs. This is the mini Oreo. I didn't really put this thing on here like really good. I just, did it for video purposes. But of course, you can stick it down, glue it down. This is what the template looks like. It will be for the top as well as for the wrapper. It does go all the way around. Yeah, it will be on my Patreon page. I'm going to actually upload the template for this, because the way that I did it might be a little difficult to for some. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload the template, but also do a template video explaining and showing how I did it and how I created it. So if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. My boys are going to love this when they come home. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.